keurig coffee maker. It's new. I'm excited, and I can't wait to get in this video with you guys. All right, you guys. So first, it says to clean out this part of the coffee pot and let it air dry. Don't wipe it with any kind of paper towel or regular towel for that matter. It will leave little hair particles and stuff, and it could mess up your coffee maker, so please don't do that. And I'm gonna be brewing a first pot, just like a tester pot, to get it cleaned and everything. Brew some hot water through it real quick for you. And how you do that is you just open it up like so, and then we're gonna close it, and then we're gonna pick which brew you want to do. And it says to do the 8 ounces, and I need a cup. Now I'm not for sure if this is an 8-ounce cup, but we're going to use it. We'll soon find out now, won't we? So I'm gonna hit the 8 ounces, and then I'm gonna hit the big button in the middle, because that is the brew button. And it's going, you can hear it. Bubbling up or nothing special. It doesn't take long. There she goes. Now this is just hot water. We're just cleaning the pot. And I'm not being sponsored by this video. I just love coffee, and I love Tim Hortons coffee. And it's so hard for me to get the perfect cup of coffee using my regular coffee pot. But I will link a video down below of how I make a coffee, because it took me a very long time to fix like the perfect pot of coffee for my liking. So I will make a video on that as well. Alright, you guys, that was real quick, and I guess this cup was big enough because, as you see, let's see if the water's hot. Ooh, now, since the water does sit in the back and keeps it warm, I am going to give it a minute before I brew that pot. So I'm going to come back to you guys in a good 15 minutes, and we're going to brew the first pot of this coffee. And I can't wait.